Boom! Alright, Bourbon Quest. Oh, hell. Yeah. It's day 27. We're trying to stay ahead of it on things because September is National Bourbon Heritage Month. We've done 30 whiskeys in 30 days. We've done some pop-up videos. It's exhausting. But hey, remember, stay hydrated, my friends. Alright. So, this is tonight, day 27 here on Bourbon Quest. This is Bulleit, very special bottling, Frontier Whiskey, Blender Select, Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. So, help me out, Bourbon Quest. Give me some information on this because this is the greatest Bulleit I've ever had. And it's probably been like 2 weeks ago. I went to the blenders. I went to Welts or Stitzler or whatever it's called. I can't say it. Where they aged the Bulleit. I talked to a couple of people on staff there about this Blender Select. They really didn't have a clue, and then they pulled it up and I'm like, yeah, I'm like, this is amazing. I want to get another one. Or is it going to be something that you do again in the future? They really didn't have much knowledge on either. So I don't know if it was a one-time release. This is the only bottle that I've ever seen, and it's amazing. I want to get another one, but anyway, so here it is. It's Bulleit Bourbon Blender Select. I'll let you take a look at the bottle, but let's see what the neck tag says. Very special bottling. Again, it might have been just a one-time release. Oh Jesus, this writing's small on the back. Alright. Achieving award-winning results consistently from batch to batch requires Bulleit's blenders Ebony Major and Andrew McKay to be at the top of their craft. To do this, they mingle 10 distillates that are the outcome of 2 high rye mash bills, each distilled with 5 proprietary yeast strains and aged between 6 and 8 years. This limited small batch bottling was personally led by Ebony, who created the first ever select mingling, highlighting 3 of our 10 distillates. Notes of vanilla, bean, honey, dried fruit, and toasted oak lead to a smooth, balanced finish with a lingering of sweet cream and fruit wine decadence. A unique experience that's distinctly Bulleit in character. We hope you all enjoy. Cheers. Well, I'm glad to include this here on day 27 for National Bourbon Heritage Month, because this is extraordinary. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, we're going to pour it. I need to get another one of these, or they need to do it again, something along those lines. But alright. Oh my dear Lord. That's cherry, orange, vanilla, caramel. Oh, I do get that cherry and orange on the front, vanilla and caramel. I think it's 100 proof. Let's see. Yeah, 100 proof. But the nose is delicious. Sweet mother. Alright. let's go in for the palate. Oh. Yeah, even though I'm not a rye guy, I appreciate the high rye mash bill on this bourbon because I get that. I get mint, I get black pepper, I get spice, and then those orange, cherry, vanilla, caramel notes start to come through. This is a hitter. I need to find me another bottle of this because and granted I am a Bulleit fan. I think I don't even know. Like Bulleit in the last 2 years has gone, I think, off the charts from the standpoint of they were associated, I think, and you can correct me if I'm wrong because I don't watch much TV. But I think it in the last 2 years it just flew off the charts because of the TV series Yellowstone because they drank Bulleit or whatever. And Bulleit's great. This is not great. It's amazing. Mm. Mm. I think I opened this up last year, not this year. But so I probably will not be including it in my whiskey of the year number one because I think it was last year I had it. But I don't even know if you can get it anymore. But if it was eligible, I mean, it would contend and be a top 5. So I guess what I'm saying is, especially if you're in Kentucky, I think you probably, because when I talked to the people at Bulleit, they really didn't have much knowledge about it, but when they looked it up on their phones, they thought you still might be able to find it at a Kroger or Costco or whatever in Kentucky. But they need to do this shit again because, I mean, if they can produce the same nose, mash bill, and palate, this is amazing. All right, I'm gonna try to stay hydrated because it's been a long night. This is like the last video of the night, so the alcohol may be taking a little bit into effect, but no, this is great. All right, cheers, Bourbon Quest. Oh, yeah, black pepper, spice, good viscosity, mouthfeel, medium to long finish, more towards the long. No, this is spectacular. And I don't remember exactly what I paid for this. If I had to guess, I would say I have no clue what I paid for this, and I'm not even gonna try and say I do. But if I had to value this on what I think I paid and what I think it tastes like and what it should be worth, if you can get this between $65 to $75, no brainer. 75 to 100, yeah. I guess I would say try before you buy, and then I wouldn't pay over $100 for it because I know I didn't pay that for this. I think I got it for, like I said, between 55 to 65. that's spot on. That's a no-brainer. And then if you want to go from 65 to 85, I think that's still worthy. Above $85, that's where I would have to question it. But no, this is great. It's freaking awesome. Mm. Mm. This is great. Like I said, I want to get another one. I'm gonna do a little research over the next 2 weeks if I have to. I mean, I'm not gonna overpay for it, but if I can find some selections out there, which last time I checked there were some available. I don't think you're gonna be able to find this at your local or nearby liquor store. If you do, pick it up, bro. If it's $85 or less, no brainer. Above that, you may have to start to question it, but it's a hitter. I mean, it's damn good. Cheers, Bourbon Quest. Alright. I gotta wrap this up. It's been a long day. I wanted to bring you some content. This is spectacular. But before I sign off for the evening here at 2 a.m., if you haven't done so, smash that subscribe button. And then that does the channel a favor. Then do yourself a favor. Ring that bell for notifications. That way you don't miss a damn thing here on Bourbon Quest. This is... Damn. Well, I'm already drunk. And I would like to drink some more of this. But number one, I don't know if I can replace it. Number two, I don't need to drink anymore. So, subscribe. Ring that. That does the channel a favor. And then do yourself a favor. Ring that bell for notifications, because the cat will be on here either before or after this releases. But Q, or I'm picking him up soon. The new mascot here on Bourbon Quest. So yeah, subscribe, ring that bell, smash that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithms. And then leave a comment. Let me know. I mean, I love Bulleit. I think they do. I'm a big fan of Bulleit. And this is their gem. Out of all the Bulleit, whether it be your regular, well, I don't do the rye, but your regular single barrel 10-year-old whatever, this Blenders Select is the bomb. This is the only one I've got. I want another. Cheers, Bourbon Quest. Stay hydrated. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Smash that like button. Alright. We're done. We got to go. But before I do, my wish for you is that all your Bourbon Quest dreams come true. That's a beautiful thing. Alright. We're done. Oh, that's good. Man. I will make it to the button eventually. Peace out, Bourbon Quest. Ha ha. Oh, I'm an idiot.